In the bustling heart of 18th-century England, a man named John Wesley stood on the precipice of a spiritual awakening that would forever alter the course of history. Born to a family of humble origins, Wesley, a brilliant scholar and Anglican priest, sought to reconcile his faith with the social injustices of his time. The year was 1738, and a wave of religious fervor swept across the Atlantic, reaching the shores of England in the form of the Great Awakening. Wesley, initially skeptical, attended a series of open-air sermons that captured his attention. The preacher, George Whitefield, was a charismatic figure who preached a revivalist message that resonated with the common folk. Inspired, Wesley embarked on a journey to find the same spiritual enlightenment he witnessed in Whitefield's sermons. His search led him to a secluded Moravian settlement, where he experienced a profound conversion. In the quiet solitude of the night, Wesley felt a divine presence that filled him with an overwhelming sense of love and peace. This spiritual awakening marked a pivotal moment in his life, setting him on a path to become one of the most influential figures in religious history. Wesley returned to London, radiating a newfound passion for his faith. He began holding small group meetings, fostering a close-knit community of believers who shared his commitment to personal and social reform. These groups, known as Methodist societies, attracted a diverse following, including the working class, women, and even members of the Anglican clergy. Wesley's message resonated with the disenfranchised, offering them a sense of purpose and hope in a time of great social unrest. He championed the causes of the poor, advocating for affordable housing, education, and healthcare. His mission extended beyond religious conversion. He sought to uplift the downtrodden and create a more just society. Despite facing opposition from the Anglican Church, Wesley remained steadfast in his convictions. He was excommunicated from the church in 1784, but this only strengthened his resolve. In 1791, the Methodist Church was officially established, marking the birth of a new denomination that would spread across the world, influencing millions and shaping the course of religious history. John Wesley's transformative journey from skeptic to spiritual leader resulted in the birth of the Methodist movement. His legacy continues to inspire generations, a testament to the power of faith, persistence, and a commitment to social justice.